Welcome, welcome, welcome. One World Yachts again in beautiful Fort Lauderdale, Florida on an afternoon that looked like it was going to rain, but now it's beautiful. We're here today with a 48-foot Greenline Flyrbridge motor yacht with a hard top. This is not a hybrid boat. This is straight diesel with the Cummins 380 horsepower engines. Has a stabilizer, about 200 hours or so on the Cummins engines. And the original owner is selling her because he just went through surgery and it didn't go well. This boat is Palm Beach Boat Show ready. It's absolutely beautiful. Everything's done. We have a huge aft deck with a bench seating for 5 or 6. And additional, you can put in some folding chairs or some teak chairs. Get another 4 or 5 chairs in there. We have a hydraulic swim platform. He does have a tender. It's a Carib with a I think a 20 horsepower Mercury. This is not conveying with the sale of the boat, but he does have the hydraulic swim platform if you have a jet ski or a tender that you'd like to put on board. I don't know if it reflects in the video, but the hull shines that you wouldn't believe. All the woodwork is beautiful. It's just been relacquered. The house is just, everything's so nice. He really keeps this boat nice. This is a 3 stateroom, 2 head layout. Plenty of space on this boat. Nice huge bow. It has a sun pad that has headrests and its own bimini top. Running this boat, superb. Visibility is wonderful. Has a bow and stern thruster. Anyone can look like a professional captain on this thing. Maybe the hull shine works better facing this way. I don't know, but the hull shines beautifully. Step on board. We'll go back here to the aft deck and show you how spacious it is. It really is large, fully covered. We have an additional, right in here, a sunshade that pulls out that'll cover the swim platform. Light gray diamond stitched exterior fabric. I'll tease you with the inside, then we'll go up top. Nice wide staircase up. If you notice also, we have covered walkarounds on both sides. Nice tall wall. It's a very safe boat. I'm 6'1", and this railing comes up to my hip. Have sunshades throughout. All 3 sides. The sun pad is huge up here. Plenty of space. Notice the chocks are oversized. The chain is oversized. This thing is all chain. And it's not a toy. There's some serious chain in there. Finished fiberglass. Well made. You have 2 solar panels on the brow and 4 more above the hardtop. Let's go up to the Flyrbridge. Woodwork's beautiful. Stainless is beautiful. Boat's very kept immaculately. Nice drainage. Storage here. We have access under this seat. Let's see if we can get to this. The storage on the European models, this hatch opens, and down below here is your captain's quarters. This particular boat, we didn't have that installed, so all of that area is storage under here. We have the oversized engine hatch And I'll take stills of the engines. Open the Flyrbridge. I didn't uncover the whole thing. We have a wet sink and barbecue here with a refrigerator and an ice maker. 12-inch Raymarine bow and stern thruster. Autopilot. Electronic controls. Trim tabs. This seat is reversible, so I have it now in the forward facing, but it can flip back and be U-shaped seating for the dinette area here. Then the sun pad. I didn't remove all the covers. Everything has covers. On the aft deck, all the seats, the table, all that has cover. I'm 6'1", and this will probably fit a person probably 6'4", I would think. From the helm, you have great visibility forward and down the staircase to the end of your swim platform. Visibility is wonderful on this. Like I said, the boat handles fantastically. It's an absolutely perfect boat for the Great Loop. You have an overall clearance, bridge clearance of 18 foot to the top of the hardtop. There have been a few of these that have done the loop. We go inside, we'll note the oversized refrigerator freezer, galley aft, an induction stove, microwave, double sink, an 80/20 sink. We have U-shaped seating on the port side, an additional love seat on the starboard side. We have the upgraded flooring, plenty of storage. Under all these seats as well. We have what we refer to as the basement. Not only do you have all of this storage where the crew quarter could be, that is now storage, you also have this. A lot of people put top loading freezer in here, you name it, he has water. There's storage in here. He does have a cooler in there, but a ton of storage. Some people put the washer dryer down there. He has it in one of the guest staterooms. But more storage than your typical 80-90 foot boat. Wonderful lower helm station with twin 12-inch Raymarines, bow and stern thruster. Your electronic controls. This has an inverter. Everything runs off the inverter, including the gyro. Teak interior. It's a high-low TV right here. I should have put it up for you, but I think it's a 48-inch smart TV. Thing that Greenline is known for is not only this door at the helm station, but this door in correlation with that cleat. Having the two side by side like that allows a Greenline to be a one-person operational boat. You untie all your lines, keep a tight spring to the piling, have everything ready. When you're ready to go, open this, untie your spring, bow and stern thruster, you're gone. Come back, bow and stern thruster, tie the tight spring to the piling, and you shut them down. So for a 48-foot boat, single person operational, is very nice. Down below we have 3 staterooms with the master all the way forward. We'll go there first. We have a king-size berth, 2 drawers underneath, and 2 hanging lockers to port and starboard. We have shades around here, but the best thing about the forward berths on a Greenline is that they're not dungeons. They're well lit. You open these. You have these as well with porthole windows that open. You have the head with a shower and a seat in the shower with natural lighting as well. Going aft, we have two side-by-side twins on the starboard side, and this has the washer dryer unit in here. Also has the door to the second head. It's Jack and Jill door. There's a pillow in here. Another shower, the seat, adjustable shower head. And then the third stateroom, which is also side-by-side twins. And they're oversized twins, but they're still twins. Again, nice natural lighting, hanging locker, carpeted sole. I have storage in here, is good for paperwork, logbooks, whatever. Storage below the captain's seat. Nice wide seat. I don't know if this is on. No. Sorry about that. Trash space. Like I said, an 80/20 sink. This is my favorite part. But besides that, tables are beautiful. Just had them redone. This one and the one above as well. Again, it's a 48 Greenline, 2022 with Cummins 380 horsepower engines, about 200 hours, 3.2 layout with a gyro zero speed stabilizer and an inverter system. This is One World Yachts, and I'm out.